up, my fellow YouTubers? Today, I'm doing a review on my straight pipes. And if you guys have seen my other videos, what I did was delete the resonators and the mufflers. Originally, I just did the mufflers. I like the way it sounded. The resonators definitely kept it at a good tone. But I wanted something louder. And with that being said, it was either get a Corsa Attack exhaust system catback or get a catback SLP Loudmouth 1. I might still eventually get one of those, but as of right now, I just needed something for now, I guess. So I deleted the resonators too, and holy crap, it made a big difference. I didn't think it was going to make that big of a difference, but it totally did. So now a couple of buddies of mine are going to do theirs now after they've heard mine in a person. The video does no justice. I'm telling you guys that now. It's way more louder in person. I honestly don't mind how loud it is. My car definitely always got looks, but now when I'm driving, I notice more people looking to see what the hell's coming down the street, making all that rumble. But other than that, I like it. People say, have I lost power, have I lost torque, all that, and honestly, I really haven't noticed. And I think the reason why I haven't noticed is there's not much done to my car besides the cold air intake and the straight pipes now. That is it. And another reason why I don't think that I notice it is because how loud the car is now when I get on it. To me, I think it kind of feels like I'm going faster, but probably not. This is inside the cabin. It's not loud. You could definitely hear the car, but that's about it. And this is me cruising 40 miles an hour. I went on the freeway to see, because people said once you get on the freeway and you're cruising going 75 to 80, you're going to have a drone noise and all that. I knew that was going to happen. And honestly, I always have my windows down so I don't notice it too much, and then I always have my music up so I really don't pay attention to it. But honestly, I didn't think the drone was that bad. My car before this was a fully built 5.0 Mustang, and that was cammed and headers and all that, and I thought that was loud. That's what I probably will do to this car too eventually, is throw a cam in it. I was going to get rid of it, and I went to the dealership to go pick up the new car, and I just couldn't get rid of this one. I just couldn't do it, and I think it's just because this is the first really nice car I've had. You know, all my previous cars were all used and were I'm not saying they were junk, but they weren't as nice as this. This has a lot of features, and the other car that I was looking at didn't have that great of features, and I didn't want to lose that. But straight pipes, like them. If you're gonna do it, I would recommend it. If you don't mind noise. This is me in third gear. There is definitely some noise to it, but I don't mind it. I like it. I'm that Honda that you see that likes to rev his car, thinking it sounds nice. Well, there we go. That's what I'm doing with this. If I'm not revving it, it's just how loud the car is naturally now with the straight pipes. But yeah, if any of you other guys want to try this out to your car, I mean, I paid a total of $180, I believe. That ain't bad at all. So compared to paying for the Corsa Attack, I think was $1,400, and the SLP was going to be $700. $30 does do good for now. So tell me what you guys think. Let me know. Your eardrums won't bleed. I can tell you that. They may be a little sore, but they won't bleed. Alright, comment, subscribe. Check you guys later. Thanks.